Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, guys. I got 2 orders of milk. Ang aking mga hungry birds ay hungry na. Oh, kung sino ang unang umiyak, yun ang unang didede. Okay, it's Kuya Dawson. Si Brady, no, nakikinig lang. Opo. Come on, let's go eat. Guys, the twins are 7 weeks old today. So, hindi na sila masyadong iyakin kasi nakakaani-aninag na sila. So, mas nagiging curious na sila sa mga nakikita nila. Especially sa kanilang room kasi maraming kulay at mga laruan. So, iniwan ko sa crib nila. Kasi ako'y maghuhugas na kanilang mga bote at ako'y naglalaba. So, yan, narinig ko na umiiyak. Na bored na. Hi babies, are you guys bored? Okay, let's gonna go listen to music, nursery rhyme, okay? Na-bored na yung dalawa. Hi babies. Here. Ayan guys, pupunta na kami sa living room kasi na-bored na sila sa kanilang kwarto. One at a time lang. Mahina ang kalaban. Isa-isa lang ha. Lagay ko sa kanilang bouncer at papatugtog ako ng nursery rhyme. Hi Dawson! Sinong iyakin? Hi Kuya! Tsura oh. Kuyang iyakin! Hello bebe! Let's go get your brother, okay? You behave there, okay? I'm gonna go get your brother. Yes, mommy. Say yes. Yes, mommy. Ayan, guys. Baby number 2. Kulit ng mga anak ko. Yan, dito lang kami sa sala. Makikinig ng nursery rhyme. Yes, bebe. Hi, Brayden. Nakatingin sa akin. Yan, daldal ng nanay ko. Hi, Brayden. Ayan, magpapatugtog muna ako ng nursery rhyme and then I'm gonna have to put them to sleep kasi ang tagal na nilang gising. Ang lalaki pa ng mga mata, oh. Hi, Dawson! Hi, baby! Hi, Brayden! You guys are 7 weeks old today. Hey, Brayden! Brayden! Baby! Hi! Hi, Brayden! Hi, baby! Hi. Hello. Good morning, baby. Ayan guys, after mga 30 to 45 minutes nap, gising na yung dalawa. Sabay talaga sila. Sabay din silang dumede. And I put them there in the mat to entertain them. I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna put them back to bed after 1 hour. Yes, there is 1 hour playtime, baby. Only 1 hour playtime, okay? And then we're gonna go back to sleep. Daddy is not here today, so mommy is alone. So you need to be a good boy to mommy. Okay? Okay, baby? Huh? No fussiness? You and your brother? So yun guys, napatulog ko rin yung dalawa. Ang hirap ng patulogin, hindi katulad dati nung maliit pa sila na kunting dede lang tulog na agad. So now it's my time, my turn to do the laundry. Yan, magtutupi lang ako ng mga damit namin ni Cubs and mayroon pa dito sa washer damit ni Ashley kasi nilalaban ko rin yung damit niya. And I'm going to eat my lunch. Ako'y kakain lang ng bread and Nutella. And I think Daddy's home. Mangga. Hi, honey.
Hello.
Hindi ko alam, pauwi na pala si Cubs. What do you want for lunch?
I'm going to just heat up.
He finally fell asleep just now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
So Dawson's been awake?
So guys, we're going to Walmart to do a little bit of grocery and it's their first trip to Walmart. Ayan, may pacifier kasi mga iyakin. They're so cute with their hot. Ayan, naiyak na siya. Guys, tulog na tulog si Brayden. We're here in Walmart now at the kids section. I'm looking for Daddy. Daddy, where are you? Toys. We're buying them toys.
It's like this. I don't know.
So we're going to buy this. What is it, Dad?
It's a
Daddy.
D-Tech baby soothing starlight hippo. So we have to
Here's
get
the
some
light.
batteries.
Kasi nakakakita na sila. So there's
Voice activated.
music.
I think it will be going. I think it will go non-stop the way they cry. Jenna's in one of her favorite stores right now. And I got the babies back here with me, and so far they're being pretty good. Jen's been in there about 5 minutes. She's supposed to be looking for a bracelet. And they don't have that many bracelets in there. So I think she's actually looking for clothes too. So guys, here's what I got for my mother-in-law. Gusto ko yung store na yun. Bibili ako doon ng pang gift sa mother ko pag umuwi ako kasi mahilig din yun sa jewelries. Tapos kapag may coupon ka, ang mura lang. See, I got this for 80% off. 18K. Ayan. Nakuha ko siya ng napakamura. And I think she will like it. Han! Yeah.
Do you wanna see what I got?
Yeah.
Here.
That's cute.
Kalo kasi hindi yan marunong pumili. See, I got 30% off. This one is 50% off, so I got 80% off.
Nice job.
Then I also bought lotion for my very dry skin. Sobrang dry kasi, alam nyo na, winter. So yun. We also bought a lot of, what is that?
And I bought a frappe mix and hazelnut for lattes. Never had it before. Figured I'd try it.
Esther candies. They got a lot of Esther candies now. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng barf clothes kasi wala kaming gaanong ganito and we're gonna send this to the babysitter. Tapos bumili na rin kami ng napakamaraming formula. Inubos namin yung formula nila doon kasi minsan hindi sila nag-stock lagi. We just made the latte. What do you think about it? Or not
Frappe.
the latte, the frappe.
What do you think?
It's better than McDonald's.
Well, let's not get an endorsement from McDonald's then.
I like it.
I'm just kidding. It's not bad. Sorry, I'm jerking all over the place. I didn't bring the paper, did I?
No.
But yeah, it's not bad. It doesn't make a whole lot though. It's only like less than half a cup for each of us, but it's alright. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. How much is it?
$1.25.
You can buy two and maybe make a lot.
Yeah.
What's going on? Kabo always got a brain freeze every time he drink.
Anything with
because
ice.
Your brain is too small.
Oh, no, it's not.
You can take it. Look at me. I don't get brain freeze.
You don't have a brain then.
What?
I have a brain. That's why it freezes it.
I have a brain, but it's too big. Ayan na guys, si Brayden. Ito si Mr. Dawson. Nagwawala na. So guys, ito talaga yung dinayo namin sa Walmart. May glow in the dark siya and then it lights up the whole ceiling. Kaya lang hindi namin may vlog kasi ang dilim. But it has music and I hope they will like it. How much is this?
$25.
$25. Sana magustuhan nila. I think Brayden likes it. Kaya lang parang natakot siya kasi ang dilim. So yun lang for today guys. Ayan, nagpapatulog ako dito. Andito sila sa kanilang bouncer. And we're going to try to put them in our room when
Tonight.
tonight. using this. I hope this one will work. So, nami-miss na ako katabi ni Kalbo.
I think they enjoyed their trip though to Walmart.
Yeah.
They were pretty good.
Yeah, it's just cold, so
Yeah.
I can't wait to go out when it's summer kasi mas least hassle, wala ka nang suot-suot ng mga kung
Take them
ano-ano.
on a walk.
So we are really trying so hard na ma-settle down sila sa gabi kasi I'm going back to work soon. So it's okay right now na mapuyat ako kasi dito lang ako sa bahay. Pero pag bumalik na ako sa work, I don't think I'll be able to work and maggagawa ng, kasi sa work namin gumagawa ako, nag-check ako ng mga headlight lenses ng Honda na sasakyan, and I need to be awake kasi kung hindi magpapasa ako ng mga rejects. So I hope everything will works out for both of us.
I think it will. I hope.
Yeah.
If not, we'll have to find babysitter number 2.
Sa gabi. Mahirap lang kasi dalawa eh, hindi sila sabay matulog, kaya sobrang hirap. Anyway, maraming salamat everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye everyone.